Hi there, welcome to day 117 of my 365 days of art in nature. And here is our prompt for today. Very simple, should be a bit of fun. Fill the page with leaf shapes. So wherever you are in the world, northern hemisphere, you are in spring. Southern hemisphere, we are in autumn. So your leaves may look different to mine if you're going seasonal, or you might just want to mix it all up and go crazy and have a whole kaleidoscope of different colours, shapes, sizes and textures. Have fun, and thanks for watching.